Okay guys, I'm off on an adventure. It's my day off. It's absolutely chucking it down. The wind is supposed to be crazy. We're going to get up over them Pendle Hills. Not stopping another. Let's see what we can do. As you can see guys, absolutely chucking it down. We're actually under some trees here, so it doesn't seem as bad, but it is chucking it down. The wind is supposed to be crazy. It'll be crazy still up over the Pendle Hills. But I love anything like this, love extreme weather. And them blizzards the other day, absolutely awesome. And there we go, Pendle Hill up there to the left in the distance in the cloud. Hope it does clear up. So I want to be facing this way because I'm going to go to the left hand side with a coffee so we can get something to eat. And we're going to park a little bit more sheltered side, so we'll see about that. Absolutely deep in snow over here. The drifts were feet. Some of the drifts we going up here were 8 feet. And it's so mild and rainy now. Just messaging. That's all melting away quick. Need some new windscreen wipers as well, because they're not doing a great job. That's why I've got them on slow. I don't worry about the best of the new ones this week. No, it's not this one, it's round the corner. You got a car right up my arse here. Absolutely stupid drivers. About to stop suddenly, which you do often over here with sheep running out and what have you. Pillar could be right into the back of it. So right, indicator here. My favourite little parking spots as well. There we go. Still chucking it down, so I've just been looking at a bit of footage on my phone from this camera, and I've noticed I look like a right fat get sat here like this, but I'm not that fat. I'm absolutely wrapped up. I've got t-shirt on, hoodie on, body warmer and a jacket, so I'm not that fat guys. It's freezing out there, it's windy, it's chucking it down. Just thought I'd mention that. And I'd like to say a big thank you to all you subscribers, anyone who watches the videos. It is much appreciated. I love doing this, love getting out doing this any weather. I love all weathers, that's why I'm always out. I love outside, I love all the wild camping videos on YouTube and people who do their vans and trucks up so they can sleep in them. All the survival videos, bushcraft, absolutely love it. I'm rambling on, I'm waiting for this rain to stop. Okay guys, still chucking it down out there, you can hear that on the car. I'm getting hungry, I've got things to cook. I've got steaks, sausages, burgers, black pudding, that's a local thing I won't go into. Oh, that's made. Not very nice, but it tastes good. We'll have a wander and just hopefully it'll dry up and I can get my cooking done. We'll see. So you get a peaceful area like this, even though the rain's, you know, a bit noisy, and then you get a car pulling up with that bang, 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 bang music. Ruining all the peace and quiet. Some people don't give a shit, do they? But there you go. I rang it around because of brighter weather. Looks like over there, might move over. You know, once you get wet in these sort of temperatures, you're wet all day, so they can get away with that. But we'll give it another 5 minutes to see what happens. It's all good fun though. So, as you can see, it's a wild one. Oh, it's getting heavy out there. It's not the angle I thought I'd be at here, I don't know. I might just have to make a brew just in the back here. Not recommended in the vehicle, but I've no choice. So I'll get a brew first. Hopefully it's going to dry up. Bloody starving, need something to eat. So no choice guys, I'm in the vehicle. Absolutely nothing I'm doing is recommended in your vehicle, but there's plenty of room here. The seats are down, it's a big 4x4. So water, and it's not strawberry flavoured water. I've refilled that with fresh water. Nice strong coffee. Some sugar that's seen better days, but sure it'll do the job. Some energy to refill that. Just turning into a Carcamping video in this weather. I don't know whether this walk's going to take place or not. It's gone heavy, it's crazy out there, so heavy. Put it on low, so it won't be on too high. Boil that up. And let's have a brew. So chilling out waiting for a brew, and two benefits of this: I get a nice warm coffee and it's actually warming the car up, but it's not very warm out there. Safe enough, it's far away from any curtains or anything. It's not recommended, don't go doing it. Mind you, I don't think you'd be going doing much I do, to be honest with you. Supposed to whistle these kettles when they're ready. We'll see. First time I've used it. Nearly boiling. One thing I won't be doing is cooking food in the car. That will stink the place out. Gonna get a big van and do that up into a camper in the next year or two. So I'll be cooking in that, get some proper ventilation and whatever. Got ventilation, could open the sunroof, but then we're gonna get wet through. Nearly there. Cool, there we go. Well, it's sort of a whistle, I suppose. It's getting louder now. Impressed with that. Right, there we go. I'm actually enjoying this, guys. It's very cosy. Cheers. I'm expecting to have a walk. Hopefully I'll still have a walk, but I'm absolutely enjoying it. Love it. Just chilling out like this. Can't beat it. So yeah, I'm impressed with this kettle. Don't worry, I was led down at a very strange angle to pour that then, and my hand was shaking like mad. So I'm alright, there's nothing wrong with me, guys. Not yet, anyway. Actually loving it, guys. I could just go sleep. I must have slept in this vehicle before. It's a Nissan Adventurer. You can see all the seats as they go down flat. You know, some cars they don't go down flat. A lot do these days, but go down flat and there's enough room you can lie down. I've got, well, I once put a mattress in it. It wasn't the comfiest, so It takes up room, you know, your mattress is there all the time, isn't it? So I've got an air bed. Brilliant air bed. Quilt, pillows, and I've slept in it a few times overnight when I've been out and about. Obviously you can let your air bed down, store it, so you've got more room. Probably things a bit of a organised tip at the minute, but good to know you can sleep in your vehicle if you need to. You never know, especially if you're out like I am. Anything ever happens, you break down, and I love anything like that. Like I said, I'm going to invest in something bigger in a year or two, a van, something like that, and do it up. I'll certainly make a video of that. I mean, I don't really know anything about it's YouTube. You learn everything off YouTube, don't you, these days? Anything you want to learn, whether it's playing a guitar or doing a van up, anything at all, yeah, you learn off YouTube. So I watch YouTube videos and I'll give it a go. I've no doubt it won't be the best project ever done and filmed and put onto YouTube, but it'll do me. Nissan X-Trail Adventure, that's what I was supposed to say. Sometimes when you're talking you forget what you're supposed to be talking about. You just go with the flow in life. Do what you can, get out there. It's free, the outdoors, get out, it's great, love it. I know there's a lot of people message and they can't get out for one reason or another. You know, it's fair enough, some people just can't get out. And they love watching the videos because they say I bring the outdoors into the living rooms and the TVs, as do all the other YouTubers who go out filming their adventures. Always gone out walking, love it. And I always thought people love to see stuff like this, you know, the scenery and what have you. And it's great now I can get it all on camera and get it on YouTube. Still raining. Watching quite a few videos on YouTube, people who sleep over in the cars and the trucks and vans or whatever. I've seen these videos where they get a knock on the van in the middle of the night and somebody's walking around trying to get in. Do you really believe that? Do you think they're just making that up for the views of the video? I don't know, it might happen. It must have happened at some point. I shit myself, that happened. So what do you get out and confront whatever's going on outside, or you just keep quiet, keep inside? I think it's probably safer to keep inside. You don't know who's out there, how many of them are out there. But I'm sure a lot of it's bullshit, to be honest with you. Finally out for a bit, guys, but it's very windy, still very wet. Not the best day I've had over here, but there we go. Still loving it. Right guys, a very short break in the weather. It's very dark, you can tell when rain's coming over. I've got sausages, burgers, black pudding, the lot, but I'm not going to have time to cook with them. It's going to chuck it down, so some quick cut steaks. I'm going to get them on the, get them cooked, get them eaten, because I'm bloody starving. Let's get these done before this rain comes back. In fact, it's starting already. Well, there we go. There we go. They'll do. Absolutely starving. Definitely ready for this. It's chucking it down again. Loved the day though. It's been awesome. Absolutely loved it. Please do like, share, subscribe. Speak then.